G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm just grouting up this bathroom. We're nearly another completion of another bathroom. I've had to just turn off the fluoro light because it's causing a lot of flickering. I noticed in my camera, so I hope the camera adjusts the light. Ooh. This is a 1950s house. It's sort of being done up a little bit. They're not spending a fortune on it, but making it sort of livable. But shit, there's like in the whole house, no sunshine comes in. I reckon, whoa. It'll be good in the summer in Queensland, but you got to have that sunlight, man. And there's no insulation, and you can tell because it's a friggin' cold house. We're in winter, and the degrees on the Gold Coast of Australia at the moment, right now at what's the time? 25 to 9 or 8:30. It's about 15 degrees. It's going to be warming up to a high of 22, 23. Today, I've got a singlet on. But with me moving, you know, it's well, it's a change. Let's say it's a change because I'm not sweating my ass off. Like I do in the summer. He just wanted me to go up to the cornice. I haven't been able to do anything about it. Like it's sticking out 2 or 3 mil, but what can you do? It's an old cornice, and I think they're a little bit thinner, or the profile isn't so. What I'm trying to say is that in a more modern house, the profile seems a little bit bigger because the tile fits up to it better. Anyway. People might think that, you know, it's a older house and that sort of thing, so you drop your price. No. Alright people, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll just zap this wall, then I'll see how I go. It's all cold, so it'll be taking a while to dry. I might have enough time to go right around because it's a very shiny tile. So I'll probably have enough time to go right around and then start wiping off. Because it's only a 4 square metre on the floor bathroom. See you soon. This is Chris O. Stay tuned. See this sucker? It's for poking at the subscribe button. It would be nice to be able to grow a bit, and I need people to press the subscribe to grow. We'll see you soon. Yo!